pushed it through the gravel out to the street. Grocery list folded in the back of my jeans. Just a man with a squeak and a Saturday. Didn't see the blue lights swing my way. Cart calamity.
They got guns,
I got grocery.
they shout policy.
I shout property.
Different gods in the same country.
Cart calamity. Badge and barcode staring back at me.
They serve
The logo on the wall, not the folks who pay the fee. Cart calamity. He said, son, that frame fits a certain mold. Company don't like their things getting sold. I said, this here wood came off my porch. That squeak's been mine since last fall storm. They circled that cart like it robbed a bank. Wrote my name on a citation blank. Top chain of custody, corporate rights, while the sun slid off behind the light. Cart calamity.
They got guns,
I got groceries.
they shout policy.
I shout property.
Different gods in the same country.
Cart calamity.
Badge and barcode.
Staring back at me.
They serve
The logo on the wall, not the folks who pay the fee. Who signed your check? Who signed your soul? Who calls the shots on the side of the road? Is it folks at home or a boardroom throne? You're pointing that pen for flesh or stone. I'm just standing here, bags in my hand, while you guard that brand like sacred land. You say it's above my pay grade, friend. Funny how that phrase can really mean the end. Cart calamity.
They got guns,
I got groceries.
they shout policy.
I shout property.
Different gods in the same country.
Cart calamity. Wall Cops is filmed on location with the men and women of law enforcement. Using your tax dollars to work private security. For Walmart.